Welcome to Belgaum, a beautiful city nestled in the heart of Karnataka. Rich in history, culture and nature, Belgaum is often an underrated gem for travelers looking for something off the beaten path. No trip to Belgaum is complete without indulging in its delicious local cuisine. One of the best things about this city is its food. Spicy, hearty and packed with flavor. Gokak Falls is a waterfall located on the Ghataprabha River in Belgavi district of Karnataka. This waterfall is 6.5 kilometers away from Gokak town. The Shivalinga here is said to have self-incarnated, and the inscriptions in Kamalbasti have references to the temple. Military Mahadev temple has undergone several renovations and modifications through the years, and dome has been completely changed. Jamboti is just 20 kilometers from Belgaum. It is a very interesting place for nature lovers. The Belgaum fort belonged to the Rata dynasty from the time it was built in 1204 by a Rata officer named Bichiraja. Ramakrishna Mission Ashram is a calm and quiet place, serving as a retreat to its visitors from the bustle of Belgaum. Perched atop a picturesque hillock at an elevation of 2,500 feet, 762 meters, the Yellowgad Fort, also known as Rajhansgad or Yellow Fort, Kamalbasti, also known as Kamalbasti, is a 10th century Jain temple built under the reign of Ralta dynasty. Vajrapoha Falls is a gorgeous cascade of shimmering water that falls down a rocky cliff, creating a delightful spectacle. Safa Masjid, lying inside the fort, is built in typical combination of Mughal and Deccan styles. Raja Lakmagu Dam, also known as Hidkal Dam, is a dam constructed across the Ghataprabha River in the Krishna River basin. Mata Mauli is a century-old temple in Goan style and a very good, well-nearly worth to be seen. The church was consecrated in 1869 by the Bishop of the Bombay Presidency. In the presence of the Governor of the Bombay Presidency, Parasgad Fort is a ruined historical monument located in the district of Belgaum and perches over a hilltop. The Suvarnvidhan Suda, lit Golden Legislative House, is the legislature building of the state of Karnataka in the Belgavi district. The Belgaum Fort has an adjoining lake called the Fort Lake, on which is a floating cafeteria. It is well maintained. Congress Well Park is located in Belgavi. This is not a very big place, but a mid-sized place, so walking and running can be done and very much greenery. Belgaum, with its unique blend of history, culture and natural beauty, is the perfect destination for those looking for an offbeat yet memorable experience. I hope you enjoyed exploring this beautiful city with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe